President William Ruto has called on the judiciary to restrain itself on matters that are in the purview of other arms of government, saying this will promote interdependence and respect for the independence of the executive, judiciary and parliament. In the meantime, Chief Justice Martha Koome has denied claims that the judiciary engages in making political decisions, arguing that while discharging their mandates, they only look for legal solutions to political problems. NTV's Vincent Odwor has more.
The Supreme Court has played a transformative role.
The Supreme Court conference was a celebration of 12 years since inception of the Apex Court. President William Ruto, his deputy Kithure Kindiki, and other top leaders of the critical institutions in the criminal justice system graced the occasion. The executive hailed the court for its formidable jurisprudence on major public interest issues and adoption of technology. However, the president raised concerns over judicial overreach on certain matters under the purview of the executive that has in the recent past curtailed his government projects.
And there is a remedy for executive overreach, because the judiciary will do something about it. But what happens when we have judicial overreach and judicial interference? Who will help us to resolve it? I think there is an equally very high responsibility on the part of the judiciary to restrain itself on matters that are in the purview of other arms of government.
Deputy President Kithure Kindiki, as the immediate former Interior Cabinet Secretary, wants the court to expound on the space of national interests vis-a-vis public interests, since the matter caused loggerheads between the executive and the judiciary during the recent countrywide anti-government protests.
I have had to ask myself whether the highest interest is the public interest or there is a higher interest called the national interest. Because the public itself could hurt the national interest.
But the president of the Supreme Court has defended the judiciary and pushed for the need to sustain public confidence and trust in the court.
The judges are politically neutral and are concerned with only determining the legal and evidential issues before the court, irrespective of their political ramifications.
The leaders have committed to enhance collaboration among the three arms of government to boost the delivery of justice and adherence to rule of law and constitutionalism in the country. Vincent Odwor, NTV.